Hey there! Today I'd like to show you how to use colors in the comment mode. Okay, so I just got an update of the Avocode landing page design. Right, and there it is. So you can see that there are already some comments in various colors. For example, in our team we're using mainly three colors. Red for high priority comments, purple for new ideas, and yellow for things that are nice to have. This high priority change has already been made, so I can solve the annotation on this design version. And I also just realized that our Avocode blog is missing in the navigation bar. So I'll let our designer know that it should be there. Right. And since this is a high priority issue, I'll change the annotation color to red. Honestly, there are no rules to these colors and how you're going to use this feature. You can use colors to distinguish between different teams, different roles, different change types. It's totally up to you. So I hope this video was helpful for you and that you will find the perfect way to organize your design annotations by colors soon.